Intel NUC 9 Extreme Kit, how it works with the vMix and how it works with DaVinci Resolve review. But first, let's bust open this box. Wow! Honestly, look at the size difference. This thing is tiny and this box is huge. I don't think you need to package this in this thing. Alright, it's time to test the potential of this little tiny computer. I'll see you soon. 5 months later. Alright, we're back. My hair has gotten longer, I guess. And here we have it. Here it is. Plugged in currently with all its cables, and that camera that is currently recording all of this is going straight into this cable right here, the really long cable here. But first of all, I want to say that I do agree with all other people's reviews so far that this is a really expensive unit. You can get a much better, stronger computer than this, but that computer is basically gonna be bigger because what you're paying for is space here, basically. And we're gonna talk a lot about space and how you can transport this, because this becomes a really portable computer studio, so to say. But first, let's talk about what it can do. So, I've been using it in DaVinci Resolve. I haven't used DaVinci Resolve and 4K videos because I don't really do anything in 4K. I haven't done much in color correction either, because I don't really need to color correct that much in my videos. But it works perfectly inside DaVinci Resolve. There's no problem whatsoever. It goes really fast, the playback is really smooth, and you can do green screen tricks really good. Also, it works perfectly inside vMix. I haven't had any problems with it at all. I have live streamed with 3 vMix calls, guests, several times, and it's worked perfectly without any problems whatsoever. Instant replays works perfectly with this. I haven't seen any problems whatsoever with this either. So you're getting a computer that really works. It comes with this really small, inbuilt, cheap and quite bad graphics cards. That is a Intel UHD Graphics 6300. Looking at the reviews for that graphic card, I actually thought that I had to replace it, but after using this for a while, I realized that I don't. The only reason you probably wanna upgrade for a better graphics card is because you wanna plug in more monitors. This can currently only hold 1 monitor from the plugin right, that's this one, this cable right here. And if you purchase a graphics card, you're gonna have more imports, which means you can have more monitors. But that's like the only reason I found to get a better graphics card, because everything that I'm doing, everything in vMix, everything in DaVinci Resolve work with that thing. The only big negative thing I have with it is something you can't hear. It is making a lot of sound. I'm currently hearing a fan. There are 2 fans here who are really loud. Now you can't hear them, but if I grab this microphone, I think you can hear that. But once I move my microphone over here, no sound at all. And that is because this is a dynamic microphone that basically picks up a audio around this little sphere here. There are different kinds of microphones. For example, you can look into a condensator microphone that picks up the entire room. And with that microphone, you're going to hear a lot of sound from this. But this microphone that only picks up this little small area doesn't pick up any of the annoying fan sounds, which means that I can actually sit and record good audio with this in the same room this close without getting the annoying sounds from this. A very consistent thing that I've heard from other people making reviews for this is that they're basically making a question, who is this actually for? I will tell you who this is for. This computer was built for me. Let me show you this. I guess we're gonna make a future review about this camera bag that I think is amazing. And this computer fits perfectly inside this little compartment. It's like it was made to carry this. So here I am at a local game store, basically playing some Warhammer 40k battle, and I'm basically making battle reports of that. There's the camera that is currently recording there, and you can see that it's standing on something. And if we move a little bit more forward, you can see the entire setup. You can see my Elgato Stream Deck that is right there. You can see the Intel NUC computer standing right there, and if we keep on going, here is my big, that's my big camera bag in the corner on a chair. So I can basically bring this with me to various places where I want to sit and edit videos and work with my projects. The computer can also fit inside this smaller bag as well. You can see the computer over there. You can see my red, it's a little bit hard, focus right up there inside the camera. You can also see my microphone next to it. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's there. I have my Elgato Stream Deck in there as well. I work in really strange places, all right? This is my Blackmagic capture card that actually, as you can see, fits inside this computer right here, which means that I can make the camera that you're seeing me with into a webcam, and that is quite amazing. It is very tight, but it fits, and behind this green Blackmagic capture card, there's actually space for a graphics card. You can see it in the blue right behind there. That's where it should be placed. Here you can see it. So here, this is my Blackmagic capture card, and the blue thing up there, that's where the graphic card goes. And that means that that tiny little computer that takes up that little tiny space in this overall big camera bag, you still have so much more space left open, and you're carrying with you a capture card. And you can have your camera down here in the blue area. I've never played any computer games on it, so I can't say if it's gonna work great regarding that, but I've seen some reviews and some people have been playing computer games on it. However, and I think it's a good like LAN computer, a computer you to travel with you. So if you're looking for something like an e-sport computer that you can easily have in your bag and go to different places, it's gonna fit, but it's gonna be expensive too. If you're looking for a portable gaming computer, a laptop is probably way better. So I use this 7-inch monitor to basically see what I'm doing when I'm in various places abroad. And as a keyboard, I use my Elgato Stream Deck to basically control the entire computer. I don't do that much with the mouse. I try to control it as much as I can from this Stream Deck. For my kind of needs, I think this is a perfect computer. It has better dimensions for putting it inside a bag compared to a laptop in my opinion, and that I can have a capture card inside it makes my day just much better, because I have to have an external capture card to make a laptop being able to use my camera as a webcam. But this is definitely not a computer for everyone, but my takeaway message is it's great, it works, and if you can find use for it, then it's gonna be perfect. That's it. Take care, guys, and thank you for watching.